This video describes the laboratory workflow and LC-MS platform workflow of the MxP Quant kit, which is part of the MxP Quant 1000. The kit is based on a combination of several experimental steps. It is recommended to carefully read the user manual before starting. Preparation and installation of solvents. Rinse all solvent bottles with at least water, isopropanol, methanol, and then finally with the main component of the mobile phase. Prepare all mobile phases in the laboratory as described in the kit user manual. Before starting with the kit, perform the system suitability test to check the system performance. Perform the system suitability test using the included test mix samples according to the MxP Quant user manual. The acceptance criteria is further described in the System Suitability Test Technical Guide. To get started, import the sample list into WebIDQ and create the plate work list. Follow the instructions in the respective kit and WebIDQ user manuals. Video tutorials for WebIDQ are also available. The MxP Quant layout allows for up to 86 study samples depending on the number of QC replicates. The MxP Quant kit requires the addition of calibration standards that are not used in the LX part. When preparing MxP Quant and LX Quant kits together with the same samples, use the plate layout defined in the MxP Quant kit user manual. For the LX plate, nothing needs to be pipetted in the calibration standard positions. Remove the light blue LX Quant kit box from the -80° freezer. Assemble the LX test plate by securely attaching the filter plate to the capture plate included in the dark blue box with tape. Centrifuge all vials before opening at 1000 G for 1 minute to ensure that no material is stuck in the caps. Add 100 microliters of water to each of the 3 QC vials. Seal the caps and vortex for 10 seconds. Shake for 15 minutes at 1200 RPM and vortex several times. For plasma study samples, vortex after thawing. For other matrices, SOPs are available in the kit files. Pipette 10 microliters of each sample onto the LX plate according to the plate layout generated by WebIDQ. Lightly touch the tip of the pipette to the filter spots to ensure that all sample is transferred. At this step, dry the plate for 30 minutes under nitrogen using a nitrogen evaporator or pressure manifold. Using a repeater or multi-channel pipette, add 300 microliters of extraction solvent to each well of the test plate. Cover the MxP Quant test plate with the plastic lid and shake at room temperature for 30 minutes at 450 RPM. Centrifuge the plate for 2 minutes at 500 G, making sure that the centrifuge is balanced. Alternatively, follow the instructions for using pressure manifolds located in the instructions folder of the kit files. Carefully remove the tape from the sides of the test plate and separate the lower capture plate from the upper filter plate. Take care to avoid spills and splashes during this process. In case of any delays, seal the capture plate with a silicone mat and store it at 4 degrees before continuing with the next steps. The plate can be stored for up to 3 days at 4 degrees Celsius, or for longer periods, store at -20 degrees Celsius. Using the two provided empty deep well plates, dilute the extracts using an 8-channel pipette. The first dilution plate requires a 1:50 dilution. Transfer 10 microliters from each well of the capture plate and move to the corresponding wells of dilution plate 1. Add 490 microliters of FIA solvent to every well of dilution plate 1. The second dilution plate requires a 1:10 dilution. Transfer 50 microliters from each well of the capture plate to the corresponding well in dilution plate 2. Add 450 microliters of FIA solvent to every well of dilution plate 2. Seal both dilution plates with the provided silicone mats and shake each for 10 minutes at 600 RPM. The two dilution plates are now ready for the analytical run. Afterwards, install the solvents on the LCMS platform. Place the sealed plates in the autosampler at 4 degrees Celsius according to the plate positions defined in WebIDQ. Import the work list created in WebIDQ, equilibrate the system, and start the run.